Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this video, we will learn how to insert square brackets in Microsoft Word quickly and correctly. Square brackets are widely useful or used in mathematics, programming, academic writing, editing notes, and professional documents. So, knowing the right methods can save you time and avoid formatting mistakes. Many users struggle to find square brackets on keyboard or don't know alternative way to insert them in Word. This tutorial explains multiple easy methods suitable for beginners and advanced users alike. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Word document. We can see here I assignment page. Now I click the cursor on blank page. Then go to the insert menu. Click this equation option. Then we can see here the equation. Now I am go to the matrix. We can see here many matrix. Now I am select this and delete the matrix gap. Otherwise write anything like you can write any name or formula. Now we can see we added the bracket easily. Otherwise you can edit this bracket another way. Go back again the insert menu, click this symbol option and we can see here many symbol. Now I click this drop down menu and select the operators and we can see here many symbol. You find and select the bracket, square bracket. Otherwise you can go to the arrow or basic maths, Greek letters, etc. Here available this bracket. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.